In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a pick list in Zoho Desk. This is a follow-up from the Did You Know video on what is a pick list. So first of all, you need to access the settings within Zoho Desk. So log into your Zoho Desk and click on the settings cog in the top right-hand corner. Go to Layouts and Fields under Customization and click on the layout you want to add a pick list to. From the right-hand side, you'll find the pick list option. If we scroll down, we can drag and drop that into our layout. And here we can specify the pick list field name and the option. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's call it feature request. And let's just add a few options in here. You can also organize these to put them in a different order as you please. And you've got an option here to do that as well, to sort them alphabetically. Once you've done that, we can add that in there and then save our changes to the layout. Once that's done, we can go to the tickets and see a ticket with that option available. If I scroll down, you can see there's a feature request here. One thing I didn't mention is you are able to make this option either mandatory or required or just for internal use. And if I show you how to do that, if we go back into settings and go back to our layouts and fields, click into there, scroll down. Here's our field. If we click on the settings there, we can mark it as required, set permissions on who can view it, replace the values, edit and remove the field. By using pick lists in Zoho Desk, you can bring structure and efficiency to your ticketing system, ensuring consistent and accurate data capture. So take advantage of the benefits they offer and customize them to match your unique support requirements. If you found this useful, please share with your colleagues and like, follow and subscribe to discover our videos as they are released.